Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's Tech Force AI Automation series. I'm Arun Barua and today I will walk you through lesson 4 Email Automation with n8n. So let us begin. So let's start. We will directly go to the practical today. Okay guys, so let's start. Let me go through the workflow. Okay, so let us create a workflow. Create. So the first step is to take a Gmail trigger. Gmail. Click on it, on receive message. Okay. So I think you remember we created the credentials in console.google.com in my previous lecture, right? From there, I will use one account, okay? Then in this menu, we only need to switch off this guy. Then let us just test, let's see what comes. Yeah, we are getting results, right? So actually it fetched the first message. Okay, so we are good going. Next, what we do, today I will show you how we can read a message and reply or draft a reply using AI, okay? So for that, we will be needing a set or edit field because we need to take few things, filter few things, okay? So we will set the mapping, then it's a manual mapping, right? Add field context context, and the value would be form to from, right? Yeah, from why it's not taking? Yeah, it has dragged it. So let us do one thing, let's make it bigger. We need few other things. This will be from, you can write this text. Then what else we will have? Subject in the mail, right? So for this subject, let us drag the subject from here. Somewhere we will get the subject. 1 minute, give me a minute. Let's scroll down. Message ID from, yeah, this is the subject, okay? Drag it. Okay, I got one message from somebody else. Then what else we will be having? body. Now we have to drag the body also. And the body is actually, you won't get it body there, you will get JSON as a text, okay? So that is it. We did it. Let us close this expression and okay, no problem for this. Let us try to execute it. See, we are getting the output from this person. He has sent me a mail. Okay, so up to this stage, it's okay. So let us do one thing. Let us take AI agent. Now this is the AI agent, right? Here we need to set up few things. Come to this. This is a prompt. We have to draft the prompt. So the prompt would be, you are and I think I have written it somewhere. Let me just quickly take it from there. Yeah, shortcut, right? Yeah. So what I have written, let's see. You are an expert AI agent who drops reply to the email. Write a reply to the incoming email. Please write concise and to the point. No need to explain me. Simply write it as per your understanding. Then you simply drag this context. Simply drag it and put it like that. Okay? Okay, so this is the first step. We have given the user prompt. Now we have to select the model, right? Chat model. Now here you will see OpenAI, you see Anthropic, Claude, Cohere, all are good actually, Mistral. Okay, however, I am using Grok because I like to use Grok. On first day I told you, right? I have shown you how do you need to create a Grok API key using the console.grok.com. So I already set my account here. Let us take a model, say 132 billion. Okay, I will take this one. Then go to canvas. Now Grok we have already taken it, right? Next is we will take a memory also. It will be simple memory. Now here you will define everything below. Key will be the context, this context. Okay, then how many mails maximum it could remember, that is by default it is 5, so we will let it 5 only. Okay, now let us test this. We execute it, right? Up to this, let's execute it. What is there? Execute the workflow. Let us execute this also. Okay, not executed successfully. Let's execute this also. Not executed successfully. Now, if you double click here in this node, you will see that's the context we have given. You are an expert, and all of those things went right. Now it is replying. See, works. Let me take care of this. The user want to reply concise email received from this guy. I don't think Kwan has given me good answer. I simply told it to write the draft, right? Let us change the model. I don't like Kwan. This time I will use something versatile. Yeah, we will use Llama versatile 70 billion parameters. Then we will what happened? Yeah, let me execute this guy. Let us check now what it has written. Keywords taken me. Okay. This is, see, it has remembered, right? This is the message it has dropped actually. The memory is remembering the previous contents also. Content, hi Virender. This is the message. Okay, we can see the message. I will do one tricks now. That is, I am having Telegram. My Telegram bot is here. Okay, I will route it to this Telegram bot. So what I need to do, click here, Telegram, click on this Telegram, send message, this guy, and I have to take the same login account, operation, send message. Okay, I have to give a chat ID. This chat ID is, I already got it. Let me see the chat ID from the previous work, and this is my chat ID. Okay, so I have to give this chat ID, and the text, the output that is generated by the previous step. That is the beauty of node, this is a graph based approach, right? It starts from trigger, first one, then come to second, third, fourth. So you will have the output of this AI agent now. Let us execute this step. Okay, I got a message, see. Hi Virender, thank you for the webinar. I found it informative, valuable, one-to-one coaching, regards Joy. Now on my behalf, the AI is writing this mail. However, in this example, I have not sent it to I didn't reply back to the user, right? That is what I told you on the previous first day class or the second day class, right? About the human intervention. That is why, now we will create this email automation bot that will read all the incoming emails and send you the draft. Now, if you instruct, okay, this draft good looks for me, and okay, I'm good to go, then only it will send it, right? So this is a short introduction of Gmail automation. This part is a little tricky. This Telegram part, we need to do some configuration, extra configuration. We need to that I will cover in a later chapter. Okay, so this is it for today. Please practice this. So the objective of my tutorial is, what I mean to say, I want you to learn from scratch, because you need to know what exactly you are doing. If you master each and every step, then you can be a true professional, or you can take orders from your clients. So please practice this and try if you can do that. If you have not created your Google Cloud Console account, you have to create that. You can see my previous part 1 video, lesson number 3. Okay, we are done for today. If you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe, and never forget to push that bell. It will help the channel grow. I am working hard for you guys to bring good material so that you can learn it easily. Okay guys, thank you so much. Have a good day.